In this video, I would like to give you some information about different kinds of points you have in CAD Assyst. Some of them will be displayed by the function element type show. Let's talk about the drill holes. These are positions which will be cut or punched on the fabric, for example for the darts. Or have a look to the reference points marked with a cross. These points are used during the construction process. Here, the person has created a point on the shoulder line at 5 cm from the neck hole line in order to create the facing. And this small rectangle, which indicates the position of a logo, this rectangle has been positioned on this reference point, which has been created with given measurements. By using the function display data points, you will see the data points. Each element has one start point and one end point. Curves have additionally some curve points. These points can be moved, for example, with the function modify element shape point, or with the function reshape. They determinate the shape of the curve. By the reference points created on a line, it is a little bit different. After the construction, there is a dependency between the points and the line, and the points will be moved with the line. But you have the possibility to delete this dependency or to move these points independently from the line. Connection points are data points that make curves angular or unsmooth at a place. The kinds of points I have explained in this video are the most important for the beginning.